Touch only the outside of one glove, and pull the first glove off by pulling down from the cuff. As the glove comes off the hand, it should be turned inside out. With the fingertips of the gloved hand, hold the glove just removed. With the ungloved hand, reach 2 fingers inside the remaining glove. Be careful not to touch any part of the outside of the glove. Pull down, turning this glove inside out and over the first glove as you remove it. Drop both gloves into the proper container and perform hand hygiene. Turn on water at sink. Keep clothes dry. Angle your arms down, holding hands lower than elbows. Wet hands and wrist thoroughly. Apply skin cleanser or soap to hands. Rub hands together and fingers between each other to create a lather. Lather all surfaces of fingers and hands, including wrists. Use friction for at least 20 seconds. Clean nails by rubbing in palm of the other hand. Rinse thoroughly under running water. Rinse all surfaces of hands and wrists. Run water down from wrists to fingertips. Do not run water over unwashed arms down to clean hands. Be sure hands do not touch the sink. Use a clean, dry paper towel to dry all surfaces of hands, wrists, and fingers. Do not wipe towel on unwashed forearms and then wipe clean hands. Dispose of towel without touching wastebasket. Use a clean, dry paper towel to turn off the faucet. And dispose of the used paper towel in a wastebasket immediately after shutting off the faucet.